Hello, right now we will make the quick unboxing of Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. So, at the right side of the box we have the information about the Smart Band. For example, here are the dimensions of the display, the smooth refresh rate, the battery can live up to the 18 days. Also, the Smart Band is monitoring your saturation levels and your heart rate all day. We also have here the 50 sports modes and 5 ATM water resistance. So basically that's all the information on the box. Let's open up the box right now. The contents that we have in here are the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. As you can see, it has the protective sticker on the display. Let me show you the Smart Band. It's packed in this little foil, and right here we have the Smart Band. It has the protective sticker, it has the silicone band already attached to the device, so that's nice, that's pretty nice. Alright, next we have the charging cable for the device. As you can see, here is the specific port for the charging. Right here below we have this port in there below the device, as you can see. Alright, and the last thing that we have in the box is the user manual. And yeah, we won't go through all this. So that's all the contents of the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.